Good evening, guys. This is Raman here. This is my first NBA 2K video, and today I'm going to simulate the 2019-2020 NBA regular season and playoffs with a fantasy draft. So let's begin. Okay, let's select the team. So today we are going to roll out with Memphis Grizzlies. I'll simulate this draft to the end, and I'll show you all the 30 teams at the end. Okay, draft is over. Now let's go on to all the teams. First, Memphis Grizzlies with KD and Ja and Blake Griffin too. Next up is Atlanta with Steph and Delo, and Miami with Jokic and Murray. Charlotte with Paul and Shea. Utah with Westbrook and Porzingis. Sacramento with Middleton. New York with Kyrie. Lakers with AD. Magic with James Harden. Dallas with Siakam. Nets with Trae Young. Nuggets with Bradley. Pacers with Rudy. Pelicans with Leonard and John Wall. Pistons with Cat. And Raptors with Ben Simmons and Montrez. And Rockets with Zion and Zach. And Spurs with Lillard and Vucevic. Suns with Kemba. OKC with Joel Embiid. Minnesota with Bam. Trailblazers with Klay Thompson. Golden State with Jason Tatum. Washington with LeBron and D'Lo. Philly with Jimmy Butler and Clint. Milwaukee with Paul George and LaMarcus Aldridge. Bulls with Luka Doncic. Cleveland with Boston with Giannis. Clippers with Donovan Mitchell. And that's it. Now let's simulate the regular season, and I'll meet you at the end of the regular season.
Yo, when you see the light, you know that's him. Handle life all black like I'm Batman. Dribble too much, ooh, who is that man? It's too easy like I'm shooting in a trash can.
Okay, so regular season is wrapped up. We finished with 41 and 41. Luka wins MVP with almost a triple double. Next is rookie goes to Zion Williamson, who's playing for the Rockets, and sixth man goes to Marc Gasol for the Portland. Defensive player goes to Giannis. MIP goes to again Luka Doncic, and Coach of the Year is Steve Clifford. This is All NBA first team, All NBA second team, All NBA third team, Defensive first team, Defensive second team, Rookie first team, and Rookie second team. Now this is the playoff brackets, as you can see. Predict your top four teams to meet in the conference finals in the comment box below, and let's see how many of you get it right. Now let's simulate the first round of the playoffs. in Memphis. In the fourth quarter for the Chicago Bulls. Are the champion, and Luka wins the MVP with 48 points, 12 rebounds, 9 assists with 56% shooting and 47% from three-point line. That are huge stats. Great stats for Luka Doncic here. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll post regularly on this channel. Thank you so much.